Alright, sikhona ke la kwaNomakhanzana community hall under uZumbe municipality eMthwalume lapho sikhona kunomcimbi omuhle kakhulu laphana we-Generation G besichazisela kabanzi ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani eduze kwami ngenomboka Khalala la eduze kwami ngifuna ukubeza umlaleli igama lesibongo ukubeka igama lesibongo bese sithatha sibeke ukuthi kwenzakalani kwaNomakhanzana community hall.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu igama lami nguthabane Khalala ukuhlala ngikhona la eMthwalume eMsumbe ngaphansi kweprogram ebizwa Generation G for Gender Justice ekhandwe yinhlaka eyintathu Action Aid Activate noSonke for Gender Justice. So iprogram abahlangana abayikhande Generation G for Gender Justice is coming to an end manje njengoba sinembizo. It's been a program ekade idila ngezinto zaka gender based violence, mobilizing young people in their full diversity in terms of speaking against issues of gender based violence both on and offline. We've also mobilized to civil society ukuthi sihlangana kanjani silwe singabi in silos but ngokubambisana as ama gender activists, and also we were advocating for gender justice issues around gender based violence. So njengamanje nje basihlangene lana sizoyivala sizoba nembizo khona la eMthwalume sizobonga igalelo elenziwe abantu abasha nabantu baka civil society ikakhulukazi ke nama stakeholders ebesisebenzisana nabo ukuze sifike namhlanje usukwini namhlanje sizothi nje siyabonga kakhulu siyayivala iprogram ya Generation G.
Last question ukuthi siyaphela manje so phela yonke into noma inzobe siyaqhubeka behind the scene mhlawumbe.
So ngiyabonga kakhulu for lo mbuzo kuphela the sponsorship from the three partners of our coalition, but because ngiyengayichaza indaba yama stakeholders and lebambisane kade sicreate sekulele kuthina njengomphakathi and ama stakeholders ukuthi moving forward sizomisa kanjani ngoba impi yaka Generation G or rather impi yaka gender based violence and femicide ayikapheli isaqhubeka, so sisakhona sisayibambile.
Sabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi mfowethu Khalala. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, tuzokwami Lebogang uvela kwa-Generation G okuphatha kabuhlungu ngezokuthola iprogram isizophela but ngikho la ngiqale ubikelele umbukele ekhaya bese sikwazi siqhubeke neshow.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama uLebogang Zimba from the Activate.
Alright, sila eNomakhanzana community hall sikhona namhlanje kumnandi ngibonile ngaphakathi kuyaculwa neza nezinkulumo ezinhle but sithatha sibeke Generation G sibuzele umlalelo sekhaya unga-understand.
Okay, so Generation G program that started 5 years ago. This program started as a form of a coalition between the Activate, Sonke Gender Justice, and Action Aid. The idea around the program is that South Africa has a scarce gender-based violence. And a part of solving the issues of gender-based violence is we need to mobilize youth in their full diversity. We are saying young people who are in the LGBTQIA+ community, young people living with disability, young people of all forms and shape to form part of this, because to solve the gender-based crisis, we need a collective approach from all stakeholders that are involved.
Ngizwile uchaza lapha ngaphakathi ukuthi whenever kuthathwa ama decision young people bayahleza buka manje sizovota manje besibadinga abomongameli abasibasha but mawuthi abatholi indawo ungathini mhlawumbe ucizelela lokho abantu abahlehlama kwenza izinto ezifana nalezi.
Ngathi icala ekhaya. When young people are not involved in how a household is run, they then become spectators more than being contributors. So if asicala umsebenzi ofana nokuthi young people find their voice in a household, chances are it will go out to the community where siyababona kodwa asibezwa nanoma bakhuluma.
Kusho ukuthi kumele sibafundise ekhaya.
Asibafundisene ekhaya so that mabaphuma ngegceke bazi ukuthi ekhaya senza kanje. It means it takes a village to raise a child, and I guess other people say probably it's a village yakudala where it took to raise a child. Khona manje it seems as if kids are learning on their own without adults, and there's a responsibility of adults to be stewards for the development of young people, because if young people are not prepared to take leadership, chances are we are going to find solution outside ourselves.
Okay, Lebogang ngenxa yesikhathi asikubambela sibonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Right, njengoba ngishilo ngathi sikhona la eNomakhanzana community hall under uMzumbe Municipality eMthwalume. Sekuthiwa ke ukuphela kwe-Generation G. But eduze kwami noma udla la eduze kwami usondingelela ke achaze igama nesibongo laphana uvela kwaLinda Legacy. Kunjani Sizolo?
Yaphila njani?
Cela ubingelele umbukele ekhaya.
Ngusithembile wakaLinda from Linda Legacy Foundation.
Right. Angihlangana neLinda Legacy Foundation. Kodwa ngicela ukufundisa umlaleli ngasekhaya ukuthi program enwenzayo.
Yes, okay, so we're based under Ekhoneni Municipality District. Kahle ke saqala sithi sifuna ukutarget indawo eziseGogweni naseMashishini. Kodwa sizibona sesi-expanda ke kuyonke indawo ukuthi sisize abantu. Ama programs esinawo ke we've got quite a few, but abhekene ne-youth. We've got ones where we go to schools sibafundisa sibanika ama-skills regarding how to prevent GBV in their homes. We've also got where we help them with CV writing and cover letter compilation. We've also got ones where we help them with learner's licenses and further on driver's licenses once they continue to that. We do food parcels where we give our less privileged in our communities, working with these people and amakhansela endaweni yethu ukuthi bakwazi ukusiza ukuthi abantu bangalambi sipho.
All right. Ngiyazi ke namhlanje na bukathi khona wena to drive the panel discussion from the ukhulunyiwe nge-GBV sazi amanye ama-organization la kuthiwa khona ugender sonke koLinda Legacy indawo yaseMthwalume siyayazi ukuthi endabeni ngabe lokho likhulunywa la mhlambe umuntu omusha ongekho la mhlawumbe ungathini
namhlanje besizohlanganela ukuthi umuntu omusha ungene enkingeni azazibone secwile entweni zezinkamba zikaFaro agcine senze into engeyona noma eseshaya upartner wakhe ngenxa yokuswela.
Okay.
So namhlanje besizokunikana ama-skills ukuthi asiwafuna ama-skills asingalindi ukuba rescued by umuntu, but let's rather be the help that we need ourselves, and that is by going and enrolling in a program. Ukuvolontiya emphakathini, ungakusabi lokho, ungakusabi ukusebenza kanzima ngoba lokho kungakuphutha in a position and in alignment with your future employer. You never know what the future holds, but angeke izikuthole opportunity ungahleli ekhaya.
All right, so lenge indaba ezihlungu ukuthi ke bese kuyi-final okanye unyaka wokugcina we-Generation G together yabisana no-Activate, but siyazi mhlawumbe ama-program azoqhubeka, but ezeLinda Legacy ngiyazi uthola khona endaweni eziningi ngabe kusho ukuthini kuwena lo sesikhethe
kubuhlungu ngoba we need ama-programs anjengaloku ngoba inkinga edala amanye ama-projects angaqhubekeli phambili is a lack of funding.
Okay.
It's a lack of skills. It's a lack of ukuthi abantu noma i-support isuke siyidinga ngisho baphathi bethu emphakathini suke singayitholanga, but asizukuphela umoya ngoba sithi for everything eyenzakalayo there is a reason. This gives us an opportunity ukuthi siphinde back sibe creative, innovative njengabantu abasha, sibone ukuthi singasiza kanjani ngaloko esisinikwe nesikequiphiwe ujenjini, sibone singathatha sibe kanjani phambili i-funding yosifika nendlela.
All right, ngenxa yesikhathi asibonga kakhulu lapha yena kusithembile wakaLinda Legacy. Sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi.
Thank you so much.
Right, igama lami Ngubongeni ngowakamthwanje bangishilo ngathi sikhona ke la noMakhanzana community hall. Kade ngisho ke of ukuthi i-product yase-Scientific College QF level 5 wamo radio production uphuma la. Okay ke fine okuyinto enhle le. Namhlanje sibile sahlangana futhi kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngikhona igama lesibongo
Ndumiso Dlamini.
Usuke e-Scientific College.
Isuke Scientific.
Lana kukhona about gender justice, Generation G, kuningi okwenzakalayo. Awusithatha usibeke mhlawumbe ese-Scientific College ngenkulumo ezikhulula ngapha mhlawumbe zinithinta kanjani njengesikhungo sezemfundo?
Mhlawumbe ukukhuluma nje kafushane ukuthi njengoba kukhulunywa nge-gender based violence, njengoba sazi ukuthi i-gender based violence isikhathi esiningi izalwa i-unemployment, abantu abaningi bane-stress ngoba baqashiwe, imisebenzi ayikho kuthini kwathini. So i-TVET College ingena la ngoba yona i-offerisha ama-skills, so sifundisa abantu ukuthi bangene bafunde i-skill umuntu akwazi ukuzisebenza noma engaqashwanga kodwa akwazi ukuthi azisebenze, akhande imoto, axhume ugesi, ashubele umphakathi, enze catering wethu i-product. Kumanje ngikhuluma ne-product ye-TVET College ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzisebenza without ukuthi uzofuna umsebenzi kamlungu. So that's where we come along as a TVET to support umphakathi ukuthi unciphise stress. Yes.
Mhlawumbe ukubuzela uthini i-youth ehleli ekhaya mhlawumbe ukuthi undermine isikhungo ezingasemakubo like side TVET College umuntu afuna ukugijima yegoli aye eThekwini ngam-advise uthini?
Njengamanje bhuti wami masikhuluma ngendaba ye-university i-right ngoba i-economy
into onayo okwazi ukuyenza ekhaya uyabo ukwazi ukuthi noma kuthi uyaqashwa ke manje usebenza nje kamlungu kodwa ngomgqibelo uyazi ukuthi nginento engiyenza efake imali for me. So abantu abaningi bane negative narrative ngema TV ngoba bazi ukuthi uyabantu abangafundile noma abantu abahlulwe isikole. Kodwa ngeke ususenze iskill ungena ingqondo ukwenza iskill force ukuthi vele iba la ingqondo ukuthi narrative wrong eyangena ebantwini ukuthi kwazi ukuthi TVET College abantu abahlulwa isikole.
I'm not trying to advertise if we advertise it say TVET College njengokukhuluma nami uBongena kaMthwane 2017 ngalandela iprocess ngabizwa ngayithola learnership namhlanje NQF level 5-1 and I'm glad ngoba ngafika kwesinye stage ngenza the breakfast show 2018 until 2023 okhombisa ukuthi ikhona into ekhona lapha njengoba ukhuluma ne-product yenu asibonge ngesikhathi.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I know. Alright, njengoba ngishilo ngathi sikhona la eMkhanzana Community Hall and uMzumbe Municipality. Senitholomeke indawo la sikhona eduze kwami iMalimaza the poet. Aya ukwashanye i-poem laphana. Lithi isihloko sakhe?
Bethi abanye.
Okay, usazositshela more ngayo. Ngicela ubingelele umbukeli wethu lapha ngasekhaya.
Ngibingelele kakhulu igama uMalimaza ke. Abanye bangazi ngoswahlake lensizwa yaphansi la eMthwalume bathi ke sigodini sasemnafu ngi-multi award winner ngi-face of ngocuko 2025 ngiphinde ngizoba i-Inc award winner ka-2025.
Ukhulume indaba ebalekile phana uthena akwazi uyenza interview on radio but usewine 4 awards. Bengilalele attentively kwenza ngani?
Indlela engenza ngayo ihluke kakhulu ngiyayikhipha nje lemfihle ngenza ngayo kodwa bengingafanele ngiyikhiphe. So as ama local artist abantu bashawa into ezincane kakhulu. If you are a local artist fanele ube on the ground mangise fanele on the ground ayikho umcimbi fanele uthathe kancane umuntu mekucela usuke ecela ngoba mhlawumbe amandla engenawo noma mhlawumbe umuntu uyacela ngoba engakuboni umuntu ongakunikeza imali kodwa going there kube kunabantu abazokubona bebe sebeyakuthanda noma ngabe yini obanikezayo ukuthi ngicela ningeseke entweni ethile akekho umuntu ongikaze akuseke ekubona ukuthi umsebenzi wakho omuhle bewuthandile uzokuseka na kanjani ngebheja
la ukuthi uyafika ukuthola
yes
abantu abangayazi sithi ama-upcoming artist ukuthi uyafika emcimbini bese ubonwa umuntu bese so abantu abafuna ukuthola mali before abantu bafuna ukuthola kuhle ukuthi uqalele ini kukhaya
ukhaya ngaqala ngo-2019 bala ngaqala ngo-2016 kodwa ngangithi mangenza lo msebenzi kube khona umuntu engisounda njengaye lokhu ngibezwa abantu bathi usounda njengosibani bani usounda njengosibani bani ngabona ukuthi hayi no man ake ngithathe ibreak kancane ngiqale ngizithole mina so ngase nami ngazithola senguluMalimaza nguyena hayi engathi mina ke nje.
Alright, so ngathini kwabanye abantu abahayayo abasezemva ngokukhuthaza la ukufosiphelele
abantu abasemva kwami engingabakhuthaza ngawo ukuthi uqale uzithole wena okokuqala lokho kwesibili ungawusandi njengelinye iartist elikhona okwesithathu uqikelele ukuthi kungabi khona umcimbi othatha kancane ngoba wonke umcimbi as a local artist ubalekile kuwena ngoba kunabantu abangakwazi ababokuqala ukubona ngalolu suku ukhula kanjalo nje kulomsebenzi wokucika awukho umcimbi omncane awukho umcimbi omkhulu futhi if uyi local artist ungajahi kakhulu imali jaha kakhulu ukuba visible imali izobe isilandela ngemuva kwakho.
Malimaza ngenxa yesikhathi mfowethu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Right, njengoba ngishilo ngathi sikhona la eMkhanzana Community Hall indawo kule under uMzumbe Municipality eMthwalume eduze kwami ngime nentokazi enhle la ezonitshela igama nesibongo.
Igama uNothando Isibongo.
Ukuthi besifoshe yathanda uthando.
Igama uNothando Isibongo.
That's right. Njengoba sikhona la eMkhanzana siyazikhuluma ngo-GBV College TVET College i-Generation G kanti yenzeka la mhlawumbe ungathanda ukubeka nje into eyenzakala ngaphakathi.
Okay, okwenzela ngaphakathi engakusho nje ngo-JNG is that ushintshile impilo zabantu abaningi. I'm one of those people. Ngijoyine it was early last year ngizwe ngayo last year. Engakusho nje ukuthini get to know people, socialize, uthole ulwazi ngento ethize. We've learned a lot about GBV and so much has happened regarding GBV. We fought against it. Engakusho nje ukuthi uJNG has changed izimpilo eziningi around eMthwalume.
Usakhuluma ngoshintsho sizwile isikhulu sokuqala mhlawumbe ukhona kulebo hangi lokubevela kaJeneration Generation G activity uthi abantu abasha amakuthathwa ama-decision like now sifuna female, let's say sifuna female, I guess sifuna female president but kuthiwa bahoba bahleli ngemuva thina sifuna ukuthathela iy'nqumo ungathini ngalokho
engingakusho ukuthi ey'ndaweni kuhlukene
okay
ngesinye isikhathi uyakuzwa nona ukuthi i-youth yamanje need to be spoon-fed yabo kodwa ngala eMthwalume nje engingakusho nje ukuthi i-youth yethu it's very active makuthiwa khona into ethize kanje we are there and siphuma ngayo yonke indlela ngoba lolu hupho lolu lokuthi there's poverty and unemployment we need to fight with it and sibambene kanje so kwezinye indawo mhlawumbe lokho kukhona but here eMthwalume we are very active
endaweni zokuba sengithole umuntu esimame this sort of GBV yibona into engishoyo so ungayitheklisha isho njalo njengomuntu ongathi mhlambe izinto ezifana some sort of GBV ungayitheklisha kanjani mhlambe as a human being ezwena female nje izenzekala ngathini mhlambe kubantu abenza lezo zinto lezo
engingakusho nje ukuthi change begins with you know so I cannot go outside and look for ushintsho myself ushintsho
okay
so to everybody who's an abuser I believe ukuthi there's a reason yabo how about we move the focus from ukuthi sifocus kulaba abahlukumezekile but isibheke nakulaba abahlukumezayo ukuthi what pushed you ukuthi ekutheni ugcine usuwenza lento le I'm not saying ukuthi nabangaboshwa I'm not saying ukuthi yena ngathatha umthetho against izenzo zabo but what I'm saying is that as ujenje uvule a lot of platforms khona nama platform abantu besilisa ukuthi where you talk about izinto
ezikhala yes
yabo into
ngane ukuthi into ayikhala sithole lezo zinto lezo yeah
ngiyakhala makes you human makes you human doesn't make you less of a human being less of a man yabo so nje usizile lakho ngalokho
all right dadewethu ngenxa yesikhathi
siyabonga nawe
thank you all right njengongishilo ngathi igama lami Mbongeni ngowakamthwani ngishilo ngathi sikhona-ke la kwanomakhanzana community hall njengoba kumhla ka-26 kuLwesihlanu 26 September 2025 kuzocelebrate-wa-ke la kune program beyiqhubeka laphana under Generation G bathi seyifikele esiphelweni but celebration yayo namhlanje khona kama-organization akhona ngokuhlukahluka kwabo eduze kwami ngino my sister abathathu la zoqala ngapho igama nesibongo Nompilo Mtutshana Lubanyana Sinehlanhla Limise Mkhosi all right ngicela ukubuza nisuka ku-organization eyi-1
yebo
okay ibizwa kuthiwa yini
Impilo Yezwe Lethu Youth and Community Development
asistika la kwimpilo yethu
Yezwe
Impilo Yezwe Lethu Youth and banibani ngifuna sisitike kuyona ukuthi yenzani
Impilo Yezwe Lethu Youth and Community Development yenza ama-skills kahle siyaphuma siye emphakathini sidila kakhulu nabantu abahlukumeze udlame losamakhaya phecelezi i-gender based violence silwa ukuthi umuntu wesifazane esikakhulu angahlukumezeki ngenxa yepoverty since kune-poverty eningi kubantu besifazane okwenza ukuthi bahlukumezeke ngoba bencenge ukuthi abondliwe wobaba umuntu ahlale
kwenzeka amaphutha ekhaya uthola ukuthi umama uyakwazi ngenxa ukuthi umncenge incenge into ezovela kubaba ukuthi mhlambe aqhubeke nokusupport
yebo kunjalo
ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi kuba maphi ama-services enwenza i-organization yenu soup kitchen okay okay mhlambe ziphi inamba le-challenges enithena facana nazo kwi-organization yenu
ike kutheni ngesinye isikhathi kuyenzeka mhlampe like kule soup kitchen ukuthi ufuna abantu kufanele ubanikeze lonto enisuke niphethe ngaleso sikhathi uthole ukuthi abantu awubatholi kule yaka-health like o-caregiver mhlampe ukuthi uzahlanganisa intsha noma labo bantu kufanele bafunde abantu bahambele kude
okay so now singene-ke back to kumcimbi lo sikubona ukuthi ningathini ngale program yezwa and in-affect kanjani bathiwa seyifika ngasekugcineni manje 5 years uphilile manje kule i-Generation G noma mhlambe beningeyona iphathi yayo
ukuphela kwe-Generation G ngeke kuze ku-affecte thina kakhulu kodwa siyabuka ukuthi njengabantu ababhekelele i-youth kakhulu kuzo-affecteka i-youth ezoba womama bakusasa bazo-affecteka kakhulu uma iphela.
Okay. Bangathiwa tshela umuntu osekhaya umtshele nje kwenzakalani right now la sikhona ungathini.
Okay, ngingasho singasikhona siyafunda okuningi nokuthi mangabe mhlawumbe uhlangana nengqinamba eliphi option ongasuyithatha ukuthi usizakala.
All right. Elakho lokuphetha ngenxa yesikhathi.
Elokuthi nje ongazange azaphumelele ukuphuthelo kuningi kakhulu esikufundile la ebesingazitshela ukuthi sizokufunda njengoba sizogoduka manje sizogoduka siphethe okuningi esizokusebenzisa kusasa noma engingaphi esizokusebenzisa like impilo yakho yonke.
All right. Ladies, sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu nathi ukuthi nisenzele okuhle kangaka lokho ekwenzayo njengamanje.
Thank you so much. Thank you.